Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is the Jaclyn Morphe eyeshadow palette challenge number 6. So today I am going to show you guys how did I achieve this look. It's like a purple hue with a little bit of regal gold. So yeah, I don't know, I just feel purple today. So I want to rock this look. It's a cut crease but with like a wiggle. I've never done this before, but I like it so far. It's very interesting, intricate. I don't know, it also reminds me of Lakers. Los Angeles Lakers. Anyways, so before we started, I'm going to show you guys something changed in my background, which is this light box. I always want one, but the thing is I don't really like those black and white one. It's a little bit too, it's just like a little bit too much. So I found this one when I was browsing online. I was like, this is super cute. It's like this baby pink, and even the letter is pink, and I think it matches very well with my whole home decoration, which is like pink, gold, and white, something like that so far. Yeah, so I really like it, and I can also put my channel's name there, which is iTwins. Make sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's jump in and let me show you guys how did I create this cut crease purple gold look on my eyes. Okay, so now let's rewind all the way back and I will show you guys from the beginning till the end how did I achieve this look. So before we start, as usual, I'm going to talk about the lipstick I use for today's look, which is from Givenchy. It's the color 6001, the Rouge Interdent Vinyl. So I'm not sure the color, but if you see the one look like this, it's like black-ish look. That's the one I'm using for today. I don't usually use it, but I really like it. It's kind of magical. So it doesn't look black on your lip. It's more like a dark plum color. And allegedly saying it will change the color according to your lips temperature. But I think it matches with my today's look pretty well. Give this mysterious look. Anyways, so now let's jump in to the eyeshadow tutorial. Okay, as usual, we are going to use a fluff brush and dipping this color called Royalty. So before I start this tutorial, I was kind of worried. I want to do a purple one, but this one obviously look very shimmer. But I don't really want to use shimmer on my eyelid because, as we all know, shimmer tend to amplify your skin texture and all those flaws, so I don't usually like it. But this one, somehow, if you just use a brush and dip sideways and tap off the extra, and then you go into your eyelid, it doesn't look very shimmer. It doesn't look shimmer at all. I was like, yes. You want to lay your brush in the center of the eye, so the center will be the darkest. Now let's use a more detailed brush and just emphasize a little more at a place where we're going to do the crease, cut crease. See, it looks pretty matte, but if you use other method, it's probably another story. So I want the edge to be subtle so you don't look like you're being punched by someone with bruise on your eyes, if that makes sense. Okay, so now let's move to Shape Tape, and I'm going to cut the crease. We're gonna make it look like the purple has never been there. So every time I dip back to the Shape Tape, I try to clean the brush first. Otherwise, you will have this like light lavender color. But we want to make it absolutely just Shape Tape. Not enough. You can still see there's a purple hue. Have to be very nutty about it. Okay, I say it's pretty good for now. So for people who has hooded eyelid, just like me, I think that's the right term. You want to make sure when you fully open your eyes, it's still there instead of getting eaten by your own eyelid. So when you apply it, just make sure it's a little bit above your own eyelid, so you cannot like widen it up. Now let's use this a little bit detailed brush, just a little, add a little bit more depth to the edge. So next we're going to use a little detail brush and spray some Max Fix Plus on it, and then dip into this color Queen, this one, which is like golden shimmer. Usually I would use my finger, but for a more detailed work, I don't think finger works. I'm just gonna go a little bit over the center because I still want to leave some blank there. So now let's use the fat finger because I still want more on the center. See that? And then just gradually fade out. Sometimes I have to keep reminding myself again and again, less is more instead of more is more. Okay, so now let's use the eyeliner. I try to use this Tarte purple eyeliner, but I feel like the texture just doesn't carry all the way. It just doesn't glide very well. I think I should still just stick with the eyeliner. Okay, as usual, I'm gonna stop at the end and then put on the false eyelashes and then draw the wing according to the shape of different false eyelashes. That's just me. Okay, so I try to put on the false eyelashes on in front of the camera, but it's just not happening. Not this time. But the one I'm using is the dual eyelash glue, and I usually don't like to just put the false eyelash at the edge of the tube and do it, because sometimes you just like keep squeezing and then so what I find is better is just squeeze some on the tip of my fingers and then use the false eyelashes to put on the glue, which you can control the amount better. This one is on, so it's the eyeliner. So I put the false eyelashes on first and then put on the eyeliner so they can match with each other. So now let's work on the lower eyelashes. So I'm going to use this little angular brush, dabbing the purple one. I'm using a little bit of the abyss, which is the darkest black, just to smoke it a little bit. I mean, why not? Bring more depth. Okay, next let's use a small detail brush and then dipping the Queen again. Just really pop the eye up. As usual, let's not forget to highlight the brow bone. Sometimes I just tend to forget it somehow, but trust me, it's a very important step. I think the edge still needs to go a little bit up. Okay, now let's just dab a little bit. Next, let's tap off the excessive setting powder. Yeah, I think now we have it. Alright, I think that's pretty much it. If I go to a Lakers game, I'm gonna put my eyeshadow look like this. Yeah, that's a pretty good idea. Okay, I hope you guys like this look I created, and I really like this combination of the contrast purple and gold. it's always good. So yeah, that's the end of this look. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up or comment down below. I just would love any feedback, or subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys next time for the look challenge number 7. Bye!